We have reached the end of our journey through the Arecibo Message, the first and only interstellar radio message sent by humanity to a potential extraterrestrial civilization. In this final article, we will recap the main points and lessons learned from the previous articles, and reflect on the significance and legacy of this remarkable feat of science and engineering. The Arecibo Message was designed and transmitted in 1974 by a team of scientists and engineers led by Frank Drake, Carl Sagan, and Arecibo Observatory Director Frank Cordova. It was sent from the Arecibo Radio Telescope in Puerto Rico, the largest and most sensitive single-dish radio telescope in the world at the time. The message consisted of 1679 binary digits, or bits, that encoded 73 rows and 23 columns of information about various aspects of life on Earth and human civilization. The message was aimed at the globular star cluster M13, about 25,000 light-years away from Earth, or it would reach about 300,000 stars. The message contained the following information: the numbers from 1 to 10 in binary, to establish the base 2 arithmetic system used in the message. The atomic numbers of the elements hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and phosphorus, which make up the DNA molecule. The formulas for the sugars and bases in the nucleotides of DNA. The number of nucleotides in DNA, and a graphic representation of the double helix structure of DNA. A schematic diagram of a human being, with the height and population of humans indicated. A graphic representation of the solar system, with the position and size of each planet marked, and an indication of which planet humans inhabit. A schematic diagram of the Arecibo Radio Telescope, with its diameter indicated. The message was sent as a series of frequency-modulated pulses at two different frequencies, 2380 MHz and 2670 MHz. The message was repeated 3 times, with a pause of about 3 minutes between each repetition. The total duration of the transmission was about 3 minutes. The message had a power of about 450 kilowatts, equivalent to a trillion-watt flashlight. The message was intended as a demonstration of human technological capabilities and a gesture of goodwill towards any intelligent beings that might receive it. It was also a way to celebrate the upgrade of the Arecibo telescope, which increased its sensitivity and resolution by a factor of 10. The message was not expected to be received or decoded by any alien civilization, given the vast distances and uncertainties involved in interstellar communication. However, it was hoped that it would inspire future generations of scientists and explorers to continue the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. SETI. The Arecibo Message is one of the most iconic and influential examples of METI, messaging to extraterrestrial intelligence, a subset of SETI that involves actively sending messages to outer space. It has sparked many debates and discussions about the scientific, ethical, philosophical, and cultural implications of contacting alien life forms. It has also inspired many artistic and creative works, such as novels, movies, games, music, and art. It has been widely recognized as a milestone in human history and a symbol of our curiosity and aspiration to reach beyond our planet. The Arecibo Message is also a testament to the power and beauty of science and mathematics as universal languages that can transcend the barriers of space and time. It shows how we can use simple concepts and patterns to convey complex information and ideas. It also shows how we can use our creativity and imagination to express ourselves and our values to others who may be very different from us. We hope you have enjoyed this series of articles on the Arecibo Message. We invite you to share your feedback and opinions on this topic with us. What do you think about the message? What would you change or add if you had the chance to design a new message? How do you feel about sending messages to outer space? Do you think we will ever receive a reply? Let us know in the comments section below.